Epic Professional is an elite line of hair brushes for hair care professionals like me. Innovative in both appearance and performance, the Epic Professional line includes 4 hair brushes that exceed the needs of even the most demanding professionals. The Deluxe Detangler is an updated take on the classic WetBrush. Its contemporary and completely new look is ergonomically designed with a longer and stronger handle to perform and feel better than your normal hairbrush. The new shape provides an expanded cushion and bristle area, which maximizes efficiency for faster detangling. The IntelliFlex bristles are thin and strong yet flexible, like the original WetBrush. They gently detangle hair, leaving you with fewer split ends and less breakage. The extension brush is the first ever WetBrush designed for extensions, delivering all the detangling and styling benefits of a WetBrush. Its bristles mirror the WetBrush's detangling bristles, but have a unique loop design that glides through hair, wefts and weaves, and won't catch on any extensions. The rubberized handle provides a soft, sure grip. Its narrow head works in between layers and gets close to the roots. Your natural hair and extensions will look fuller and last longer. The quick dry brush makes prepping for styling more comfortable and healthier for your hair. It dries hair 30% faster than a paddle brush. The heat-resistant IntelliFlex bristles are thin, strong, and flexible, which allow the brush to glide through the hair while removing excess water before styling. The vented design allows hot air to pass through more easily, which dries hair faster. The quick dry brush detangles while speeding up drying time, providing the best start to your style. The blowout brush gives unprecedented control and comfort with its ergonomic handle. It has a rubberized finish and a comfortable grip. The extra long ceramic and carbon infused barrel provides more surface area for faster drying time, while it releases negative ions into the hair for bounce and shine. It's ventilated to heat up and cool down very quickly. The crimped bristles provide tension from root to end, which provide a super smooth finish. They resist heat up to 500 degrees. The blowout brush has no glue and no screws to snag the hair. The handle and the barrel are attached seamlessly so the brush lasts longer.